What are we testing for? The test that we are going to do is testing the temperature of air, surface, and profile.
Why should this test be done? The test should be done so that we can be aware of the temperature of the water, and this is because the reading is higher or below average. It could be a sign and a problem.
What does the test tell us about the water being tested? The test tells us if there is any change in temperature that will indicate any signs. For example, if the soil is erosion increasing and the thermal pollution from humans.
The only safety issue that we should be aware of is just to not drop the electronics in the water.
Something else that you should really be aware of is the layering of the lake. You're going to know that the surface is going to be a constant. Then after you get from the surface, it's going to be decreasing temperature. And then again, when you go a couple feet more down, it's going to be a constant.
Okay, so the first thing you need to do is grab a LabQuest and turn the power button on, like so. Then you take the air temperature probe that looks like this, silver top, and you plug this into channel 1, like that, and then you hold it in the air, and on the screen it'll show you the air temperature. You wait a few minutes for it to find the exact temperature, and when it stays on 1 for a while, you'll know that that's the temperature. And then it'll be in Celsius originally, so you have to change it to Fahrenheit.
What you do to change the units is that you'll tap the screen and then you'll see that it'll come up with change units. Then you'll tap the change units and then you'll scroll down to Fahrenheit and you will hit OK, and that will change to Fahrenheit so you can understand the reading more accurately. Now we're going to test the temperature of the water. Basically, you can do the same time. You don't have to unplug the temperature of the air spot. So you're just going to take this and you're going to plug it right next to channel 2. And then it's going to read. And that's going to come up and you're going to see that there's 2 readings for air and water testing now. Then you're going to take the water testing and you're going to drop it in the water, as you see here. And then basically what you're going to do, you are going to record the water temperature every 3 feet, not 1 foot. Go down and it's marked with duct tape so you know it's accurate. You're going to record every foot what the temperature of the water is. This is because obviously the top of the water is going to be warmer than what it is at the bottom of the water. And again, you're going to want to change the units for this from Celsius to Fahrenheit because that's what we understand more. So you tap it, you hit change units, and then you go down to Fahrenheit and you hit OK.
And that's how you test air temperature and water temperature.